All right, guys, today we're going to be looking at a Chinese educational platform called iHuman. They're going to be IPOing this Friday. So if you want to learn all the details about the IPO, stay tuned. What's going on, you guys and girls? My name is Jose. Welcome back to Rico Suave Investing. If you want to learn about stock market, investing, and financial freedom, then you came to the right place. So make sure you click that like button and subscribe. Also, forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today, like I said, we're going to be looking at iHuman. And it was kind of hard to do this video because there's another iHuman.com in the US, but it's for medical reasons. It's like a medical research company, okay? And a telehealth company. But we're going to be looking at the Chinese e-learning company called iHuman. So let's get started. But before we begin, I want to give a shout out to my patrons. These people right here are my superheroes. They get a shout out on all of my videos, access to my new Discord, free access to my marketing masterclass, stock market news, portfolio updates throughout the week, and more. You can also find their links to their channels in my description. I'm on YouTube a couple times a week, but I'm on Patreon and Discord every single day. So if you don't want to miss anything, the link to my Patreon is going to be in the description. Only $1 per month. Now back to the video. All right, as is customary, here's your IPO scoop. We're gonna scroll down all the way down to find iHuman. Here we go, iHuman Incorporation. Ticker symbol is IH. All right, they're gonna be coming in at a low price of $11 and a high price of $13. They are aiming for $84 million IPO, and they're gonna IPO on October 9, which is this Friday. Let's click on the little link over here to learn a little bit about the company. General information says, we endeavor to transform learning into a fun journey for every child. We are ranked #1 among online childhood entertainment providers in China for the first half of 2020, according to the Frost & Sullivan report in terms of paying users and monthly active users. So they're very popular in China, #1 ranked in their country, and then finally going to IPO here in the US for us. It's an educational platform. We're looking at 630 employees. It was founded back in 2016. You know I'm going to go to Seeking Alpha and see what my man Donovan Jones has to say about the company. So here's iHuman begins a $100 million IPO effort. So let's see what he's got to say about that. The firm operates in an online destination portal providing edutainment for children in China. I don't know if they're going to be providing the same for the children here in the US, but it's kind of like investing in Alibaba, Huawei, Tencent, you know, all those Chinese stocks, guys. IH has grown rapidly in the recent years due to, COVID-19. Of course, everybody's at home now learning. It was founded to create a subscription and advertising supported online service that provides the ability for young children to learn languages, math, and science, and culture in a fun environment way. Management says it is the #1 provider for online childhood entertainment or edutainment in China. Here's a little video. Below is an overview of video of iHuman. Let's check that out real quick.
iHuman Chinese. Fei looks like a little bird spreading its wings and flying higher and higher in the sky. This is the Chinese character Fei.
All right, so it looks like if you want to learn about the Chinese alphabet, that is definitely the way to go. You can learn about languages, math, culture, and more. All right, so let's see. They normally acquire their customers through the online apps, including major mobile apps like Apple app and the Google Play Store. Their sales in the last, let's see, the market competition actually. All right, for this period, we're looking at a CAGR of 17%. And in a study done from 2016 and projecting to 2025, Asian Pacific CAGR is 17%. And we see companies right here like Discovery Education and some others. Blackboard Learning, right? Financial performance for the last 6 months. Let's look at that. We're looking at a total revenue of $26 million. It was $30 million in 2019. So they way on their way to, to achieve that or more this year. Let's go down to the operating profits. Looking at $827,000. Net income $798,000. So they are profitable. They were not last year. Look at that, $39 billion. That's kind of strange. So they turned the corner real big time, it looks like, and they actually have $11 million of cash in the bank, according to their S1 details right here that we're looking at. Here's the IPO details. Management says it will use the net proceeds from the IPO to 35% for expanding our product and services and offerings, both domestically and overseas. 25% of it for development and of 16 products and services, 20% for improving our technology and infrastructure, and 10% for marketing and brand promotions. So very good. They even give you the breakdown of what they're going to use that money for. So that's kind of exciting, kind of cool. Yo, let's check out their website real quick. All right, so ihuman.com. All right, it's all in Chinese. I don't understand what it says. Okay, online products are apps, inspiring educational apps that make learning and growing a joyful experience. I guess all these are apps that you can download from the App Store. That is pretty cool right here. Books. You got the books. You got the learning Chinese, the math, the English words right here. And back and forth, English and Chinese. That's pretty cool. Offline products and courses, award-winning educational products, digital content, and courses for use at home and in school. You have retail products. You got kindergarten, training centers. That is kind of cool. Home and schools. For homeschooling, you see the little cards right there. I like it. Engaging and innovative. Nowadays kids, they all got iPads and iPhones and stuff like that. So, they like to learn that way, interactive. Beloved cartoon characters, AI-driven voice assessments. Very good. Captivating AR games and more. Wow. So this is just pretty cool. I'm going to leave the link to this. See that little kid? I'm going to leave a link to the this website in the description below if you want to check out more about their products. But this is kind of cool. Online, you see all these different apps right here. Offline, about the company, you can come in here and learn about it and all that. It was founded in 2016, and like I say, it's the leading childhood and edutainment company in China. So very exciting, very interesting company. All right, in its filing, the company said that his learning apps have attracted a user base of 10.3 million average monthly active users in the second quarter of this year, and 1.4 million paying users. So they got millions of users. They do have a YouTube channel, but only with 4 videos. But they're short videos too, 30 seconds each. It shows a little bit about what the platform can do.
I hear Chinese. The Chinese character Xiao looks like a little penguin with 1 foot sticking up and 2 flapping wings. This is the Chinese character Xiao.
Which is very cool, and a lot of those Chinese alphabet characters are very hard to learn and very hard to understand and very hard to remember. So right here, they're comparing them like to animal shapes and stuff like that. So it's kind of cool to learn Chinese that way. We're looking at, if you count the dialects and all that, forget about it. We're talking about thousands and thousands of different letters, but very interesting company. All right, guys, and that's basically everything we know about the iHuman IPO at this time. If anything else comes up in the future, I'll let you guys know on my Discord or Patreon. Make sure you go down in the description and sign up for that. And I'm also going to be hanging out with JMac on his Discord, so make sure you go to JMac's Discord and sign up for that as well. There's a link in the description for it, so don't miss out, all right? Now, we know that iHuman is a Chinese learning platform, #1 in China, to learn about different characters of the alphabet, math, science, and all that good stuff. We know that they're going to IPO this Friday. We know that the stock price is going to be from $11 to $13. Okay, so we know that much, and we know that all the companies like XPeng, Tencent, Highway, all these companies, Alibaba, are very, very profitable, very, very successful once they come over to the US and they debut. They do their big debut in the stock market here in the US and at the New York Stock Market Exchange. So I don't know, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Discord, on Patreon, support the channel, as always, guys. But more important than that, guys, make sure you take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico Suave the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, leave you broke, son.